Welcome back. This is Swayam from Askmefunnels membership area, and in this video we are going to talk about the 100 plus lead funnels swipe files available inside the Askmefunnels. Alright, so basically these funnels are hacked by the top funnel hackers in the world, and they have revealed the every funnel step you can check out to build out your own sales funnels, and for the different kind of the sales funnels, exact steps like all the upsells, downsells, offer walls pages, and A to Z all the details are you would be able to explore in these leads funnel swipe file. So before to dive into that, let me tell you why leads are so much important. As you know, lead generation is the lifeblood of the any kind of business. To run your business, to start your business, to scale your business, you must have leads for your business in pipeline. All right, without leads, without prospects, you don't have a business. The problem is most entrepreneurs struggle with generating quality leads. This is the main reason why most of the entrepreneurs get fail into while they enter into the business. All right, so most of the startups in the world fail just because they don't have a sufficient number of leads in their pipeline. So that's why I was thrilled when I heard one video of the Russell Brunson from the Funnel Hacking Live, and in which he just came out with a massive compilation of the most successful and profitable lead funnels, landing pages, tripwire pages on the market. Russell in that Funnel Hacking Live video break down, analyzes, and some proven lead funnels across the bunch of the industries, including the e-commerce industry, coaching industries, consulting, products, services, professional services, social media marketing services, digital marketing service provider agencies, health business, and more. Right, so you will discover the secrets to creating the irresistible hooks, headlines, lead magnets, bullet point stories to capture the leads on demand. Basically, the meaning of the whole words is that you using these swipe file of the funnels, you would be able to understand how you need to structure your sales funnel, how you need to structure your headings, upsells, downsells, offer walls, and the follow funnels so that you may capture the leads on the demand, and you can grow your sales online by using just the sales funnels. All right, so I always recommend that you must have a sales funnel. If you do not have a website, that's okay, that's really that's okay if you do not have a website. But if you are into the online business, you must have sales funnel for that. All right, if you want to, if you really want to scale your business. All right, so in these files, you will see the exact funnels that ClickFunnels founder Russell and countless other seven-figure business owners have studied and modeled these funnels to build their list, right? So the beauty of this compilation of the swipe file is that you too can swipe and model any of these high performing lead generation funnels for your business. Without a doubt, these swipe funnels should have an every business owner and entrepreneur's digital bookshelf. Alright, so to get access to these swipe files, what you need to do is just scroll down a little bit, and here you would be able to get an option of the 106 lead funnel swipe files to get your copy. What you need to do is just click on these lead funnels and you will get redirected to this window. Here you would be able to explore the different kind of the sales funnels and to explore, and you can explore each and every step of the sales funnel. All right, so there are different kind of sales funnel you can use, like lead funnels, survey, quiz funnels, summit funnels, card funnels, book funnels, challenge funnels, even a membership funnels, presentation funnels, webinar funnels, and product launch funnels, and so on. So whatever kind of the business you are into, whatever the business niche you are into, you can just use these funnel swipe files so that you can understand how to structure sorry, how to structure funnels for your business so that you can drive the leads on demand. All right, so these board basically showcase you each and every step of the different sales funnel from the top marketers without entering and without buying their products online. All right, so let me give you a quickly example how to use this funnel is. Let's say I want to check out this funnel. This is basically a card funnel. All right, so here you would be able to get the attachment of all the steps available in these funnel. All right, so here we can see that there is a 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. It's a 6 step sales funnel built on the ClickFunnels platform. All right, so what you need to check out these funnel is that click on this arrow mark over here, and here you would be able to get the complete image of the screenshot of the page. Basically you can say that. So this is the type of the funnel you a product funnel you can set up for the similar kind of products or something similar to this kind of products. All right, here you can set up a hook which asks them, which shows that when you get 3 reps of 1 inch fiber fix today, will throw in 2 reps. So this is a perfect hook to sell to grab the attention of the people and to make the excitement in their brain so that they explore the more details of it. All right, so to check out the second step is basically a order form. Here you can explore that in there are multiple products available in this funnel, and the best part is that they have highlighted the most profitable deal for their visitors. All right, so if you want to highlight a particular product, sorry, if you want to highlight a particular deal in your ClickFunnels order form, so what you need to do is just get back to your sales funnel membership area, and here you would be able to get a CF tips and tricks, and here is the code uh, available, that is CF by default select. All right, so what it does when you click when you add a particular these kind of script, here I will reveal the script only for the paid members. All right, so what you need to do is you need to just copy that code to your membership area and or your sales funnel so that you would be able to highlight products something like this in your sales funnel. All right, so this is the second step order form, and in these third step what we are going to get is they are upselling us another product. All right, so you have seen that a brief intro how you can use these lead funnels swipe file to explore the different pages of the sales funnel so that you can similarly you can stack up your own sales funnel, you can plan your own sales funnel design, you can choose what kind of features and how you can make your sales funnel more and more profitable. All right, so these sales funnel lead sales funnel swipe files basically helps you to properly structure your sales funnel so that you may never go out of the leads and you always have a leads in your pipeline. All right, so this is all about the lead funnels swipe file. If we have any kind of questions, you can just use the need support button over here to ask about the lead funnels, or if you have any inquiry you can just use this button over here and you can connect with me directly to I would be really glad to answer you all your inquiries. All right, so this is all about the lead funnel swipe file, and in the next video we will talk about the 100 plus ecom product advertisement swipe files. Thanks for watching.